Let's practice reading. Ben has a pet. It is a dog. Who has a pet? What is his pet? Kim has a cat. The cat has a ball. Who has a cat? What does the cat have? I have a red bag. Liz has a pink bag. Who has a pink bag? What color is my bag? Tom has a cap. The cap is blue. Who has a cap? What is the color of the cap? The clouds are in the sky. They are fluffy. Where are the clouds? What are fluffy? Max is happy. He won the soccer game. Who is happy? What is the name of the game? I have a gift. Mom gave it to me. What do I have? Who gave it to me? My dog's name is Kobe. My cat's name is Kitty. What is my dog's name? What is my cat's name? We have 10 desks and 9 books in the room. How many desks are there? How many books are there? The lad's name is Tad. He is sad. He lost his cat. What is the name of the boy? Why is he sad? 6 boys run and fell in the mud. How many boys fell? Where did they fall? 10 kites flew in the sky. 2 are blue and 8 are green. How many are blue? How many are green? I saw a dirty broom on the bridge. What did I see? Where is the broom? Joy has a pet cat. Faye has a pet dog. Who has a pet dog? What does Joy have? The teacher gave a reminder to her students. Who gave a reminder? To whom did she give the reminder? The pretty lass was happy. Dad gave her a doll. Who was happy? Why is she happy? The crab bites John. Tom came to help John. Who was bitten by the crab? What did Tom do? We went to Bicol to visit my grandma. Where did we go? Who is in Bicol? Yesterday, we read books in the library. When did we go to the library? What did we do in the library? Mel and I play with our gray drum. Who plays with the drum? What color is the drum? A green frog sat by the pond. Where does the frog sit? What is green? Mom and Dad are busy working for their kids. Who are working? Why are they working? Badminton is Anna's favorite game. Mom taught her to play. What is Anna's favorite game? Who taught her to play the game?